Hello creative kids, welcome to my channel. This is Omar. Before we start, please like, subscribe and share my channel to encourage me to make more experiments in future. Please follow the ingredients and steps exactly for your experiment to succeed. Today, we are going to make new and amazing experiments. Today, we will make a lava at home. What do we need to make the lava? First thing you need is a vinegar. And then you need food coloring. And then tablespoon baking soda. And then you need oil. What to do for the experiment to succeed? Add baking soda in an empty cup. Add the oil slowly. Add a little vinegar and some drops of food coloring in a small bowl and stir it. Put the oil and baking soda solution on a small lid. Add the vinegar to the oil solution. See what is happening. It is being a beautiful lava. Don't forget to share this with a friend and try this experiment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with a friend.